Sergio Studios.
Handrek.
And Mr.Puppety.
I told you that performance we did was a success.
Calm down. We just finished a while ago. Besides, the performance had less jokes and more pain at my expense, Mr.
Puppety.
What?
Please, call me Mr. Puppety from now on.
Why?
Well, it's because I thought the name could be a little too funny for the wrong reason, and I think someone else already took that name. Besides, that performance is great with our little mishap, but I think our little show would have been great if we stuck to the jokes. How about we should try it out on someone completely random, like those guys? Hey you guys, do you want to hear a joke? Huh? Do you want to hear a joke? Okay, I'll tell you a joke anyway. What do you get with a ham and cheese sandwich? Give up a bad day for a pig and a cow. Get it? A bad day for a pig and a cow. Did you get it? Did you get it? I guess they didn't get the punchline. Okay, I'll tell you again. A bad day for a pig and a cow. You get it now? You get it? Look, if you don't get it, then I'll explain it. Because a complex joke like that needs to be explained to truly be funny. Because if you remove me from your hand and run away, I swear to God, I will let them attack you quicker. So anyway, as I was saying, the reason why it's so funny is because ham is from a pig, and cheese is a milk ingredient from a cow. With those two animals becoming food in a way that's unfortunate from their perspective. So that's why it's funny.
What?
Dude, that joke was hilarious.
See? I told you they would get the joke if it was explained.
So you think the joke was funny?
Yeah?
Does this mean you're not gonna beat me up?
Of course we're gonna beat you up.
I knew they would get the joke.